Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Omar and welcome to this channel where I create video game development tutorials, and from time to time I upload my short films. Today's video is not a tutorial actually. I recorded this video just to thank you guys for reaching 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. And the second thing, I've got two announcements. One, based on the request I've got, I finally created a Discord server along with a Facebook group to create a community to answer questions and help each other grow. And the second thing is, I've been working on a project for a while after reading this book, Crushing It by Gary Vee, where he talks about the importance of social media. In the last chapter, he was talking about voice platforms like Siri, Alexa, and I've picked Google Home to create something on it. So I've created an action, they call it. So it's a voice application. To use it, simply you just go to your Android phone that has Google Assistant turned on, or on your Google Home Mini. To trigger it, simply just say, "Hey Google, ask Omar info."
Okay, let's get the test version of Omar info.
And then it starts.
Hello there, this is Omar info. You can ask Unity game development related questions. What's your question?
So let's ask how to create a simple game.
Starting guide.
And then it plays the answer. I would strongly recommend Unity. And then if there's a tutorial, it will pop up.
There is a tutorial about this question. Any other question?
No thanks. And you can see the video here. If I just click on watch tutorial, it will play it on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about it. And let's say that you've got your Google Home Mini. You can still ask it, "Hey Google, ask Omar info how to deploy my game to Android."
Deploying Android game.
To publish your game to Android, first you'll need the Android SDK to publish it to the Play Store. And then it will tell you if there's a tutorial available.
Tutorial. Is it okay if I send that to your phone?
Yes, please. So now it will send it to my phone. And then there will be a notification on my phone. If I just press it, you'll see the tutorial here and you can watch it. So far, it's still in the beta phase. I'm still testing it out. So if you're interested in this project and you would like to join the beta, I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.